back at it like a crack addict. Welcome back to another video, people. You don't know, this is your boy Nigel. We're out here like now. So right now, me walk go towards on the highway. I'm gonna drive today. Today me link up with Chris, Muslis, him son, Kino, and we are head out to Cameron Family TV that are down at Old Harbour Bay. So, on the forward, I could go down there, just to go on and eat up some lobster, some fish, and any other seafood them have down there. Probably I'll go up on all the boat, go over by Goat Island. So I just lock in and watch the process. Banging. Just get picked up by Kino, Christmas, Les, and him son. See him son, you Wagwan.
Wagwan. Christmas list.
Yes, the man, Shaggy. Shaggy T in a place, you know, babes. Yes, no man. You don't know, so we have one Kino. What you say go on?
I thought go on, man. So you know, guys, we're there on the journey, you know, heading to see a Cameron family. You know, everything goes already. So anytime with Cameron, it's always a great link up. You know, food is a must because that's the seafood specialist down there. So that's where we're heading to. So guys, remember to check out Kino Life in Jamaica. We're here and we ain't no faker. Come over and so I'll go and see me. But at the meantime, it's all about this cooking and all our vibes, you know, on the seaside. And we're here with no other than
Christmas list.
Yes, Christmas list.
I'm excited. I have nothing to say. I'm gonna fill my belly. I've been waiting all day for this lobster, and I've eaten the food from Cameron Family TV in the past. And I know the food is good, so I left my belly empty just so I can
have that taste
as much as I can.
Yeah, and it's no joke about it, because we did have that big cookout already, and it was before Chris' birthday, you know, at the Airbnb. Yeah. And trust me, it's the first time I tried this food, and there's nothing I ever tried like that before, you know. I'm not saying that you don't have good seafood cooked around the place, but film is different, guys. It's different. So stay tuned, you're gonna see what I go on. You know, I'm gonna say blessed love. I'll pass you back over to the Yahman. You know what thing goes. Already in Jamaica we say Yahman.
Man. Believe. So right now we are head out there, so no just go and stay tuned, watch the process. Watch the road, what go on? Believe. Banging, we reach past spot people, reach down at Old Harbour Bay. So right you know. What you see up on your head, Chris?
Yeah, this is, I thought if I'm gonna catch lobster, I gotta look like the kind of guy that will catch some lobster.
Yeah, right? So hold on, so you see a crocodile out there, you go rustle him?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean? Cause me not rustle it today. You don't know, so we have Dream Island, you see, ready like Freddy. Believe no man. How this space?
I move anytime. Yeah man. Dream Island TV, you know? Yeah man. Check it out guys. Fishing for kill. Fishing girl where we say. That is it the peeps. One Dream Island TV. Every time.
Yes no man. So we out here without fear. Yeah man, ready now? And you don't know, so we have the one boss himself.
Yeah, man. That is it man. Cameron Family TV guys. One Cameron right here. So I'm gonna go over there and check out my channel. We're doing a lot over there guys. A lot of adventures, a lot of things. So not just go over there and check me out. Cameron Family TV. Big up every time. Yeah man, big up yourself General.
Blessed in
every
no
time.
man.
You're there for day one.
Believe.
Foundation in guys.
Believe
long
no
time
man.
we are move. Yeah man. Start.
So right now we are head out to see peeps and go see if we can draw to pot and catch some lobster. So when we come in, like we head out to see. I think a 2 boat we are use. We're not 100% sure, but a whole heap of YouTuber there today. Whole heap of we there today. So no forward and Bill make we Bill a vibes. Banging.
Soldier out, you know.
Soldier out.
Indiana Jones style. You know. So the Indiana Jones out, you know, everything goes ready.
Believe. So look how Kino dress and look how Chris dress.
But I'm the crocodile man. I'm the tourist. This is how tourists dress. This is how Jamaicans dress.
Yeah. So we are hide from his son.
Yeah, we love the sun. I love the sun.
You love his son.
Give me more sun.
Yeah. What you say, Tristan? You love his son too?
I mean, it's nice, but I hate the heat. The heat's too much. I don't know how you guys do it.
Yeah.
It's not more like running, it's protecting.
Yeah.
You know, because you half look black and half look light. That's what the sun did, give it a ton. You know?
Yeah.
So these sides will look clear and these sides dark. You know, so I don't like that look. It look like when them die dolphins they will mash up already, so I keep it cool, you know.
Yeah. We said no more tanning for us. Leave that to Tristan and Chris.
Or I'll take all the tan
Yeah,
for
yeah,
myself.
them can tan. We don't want no more tanning. We done black already. Yeah, we done tan out already.
So protect it, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Reaching our boat.
How you doing?
I'm not affected by the water. The guy's too tall.
Wait, say, are you next on this? Are you next on this era? Yes, no. He sound like Cameron. So my Cameron sound is same. Oh, yeah, a bigger one.
No, me I know a bigger one.
Oh.
Me sound like bigger in our body. But
Yeah. But Cameron, I older one.
yeah,
So
me and myself, if you talk to me, he sound like me.
Oh.
Yeah, and when you talk to me now, you have to say, yeah, him
sound-
sound like you.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we get to our go on. So them get the sound from the mother. Cause them no sound like Dream Island, you know.
No time at all.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, that is it, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So big up Yahman. Big up Yahman Family TV. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, brother. Yahman Nigel.
Yes,
Yeah,
no, man.
Big
Believe.
up General. Every time.
So we out here, we load up the boat here now, so we are go to sea now. Remember, if you no can't swim, we have life jacket for you. Chris, you can swim?
Yeah.
Tristan, what about you?
Of course I can swim.
Oh, Akina alone can't swim.
You feel like you can't swim?
Wait, no swimming for you guys.
Me say Kino when Kino go out the Kino Lego all like big fish them. What true Kino?
Yeah, we let go a fish.
Lego one
Oh, you
fish
Lego one.
And then we catch a lot.
to catch the
Because you know why?
To get the blessing.
Yes, we was having drought.
Yeah, and that
You
one.
know, I was saying, you know what? Fish, if it show you off, we know we're gonna get more. You know, once you save one,
Yeah.
you're gonna say, please go into that net. You know, there's a lifesaver there.
Yeah.
The fish them fall for
The
it.
fish was begging for mercy.
Yeah.
Wait.
Yeah, the fish was begging for mercy.
Oh.
Like, help,
Yeah, but-
help. I'm like, watch it.
Say sacrifice one to catch many.
What? You want so much fish.
Yeah, but when Mama even saw that, you know.
And the man take him
When Mama even saw that, you joke, you know. Mama even said, Jesus, look how big old fish a kid, Lego. Yeah, man, don't watch the video. Yeah, yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Bigger than that.
yeah, man, get some beautiful fish there.
Yes, man. So that's like sometime, you know, you have to give to receive.
Believe.
You know, so it's a part of me, like to give back. So,
That is up there, you're the bowman.
I'm ready.
Why Bowman today?
Chris.
Chris I Bowman. Alright.
That's the bowman today, guys. Bowman today.
Bowman, we have put the Bowman to work in it.
And then you're gonna pull it.
I can't swim good enough, so I put on my life jacket. You know?
Guys, we off now.
Yeah. So I put on my life jacket, so now we're half, you know. And we are head out of deep, you know. Look what we're going.
how it feel now? Good?
We are left.
Good? Balance?
We are left land, you know. We have one fishing rod right there, so I'm gonna throw it out and see if we can catch something. Right, so now watch what we're going. Pull up the trap.
Yeah. Yeah. So this is the rope.
Man, you
Oh,
found that rope real quick.
Yes, I will get that rope now.
So one trap is on this end and one trap is on the other end. So we're gonna tie this right here.
And pull up the other one too.
Keep pulling.
wow.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
There's no lobster.
There's
in
no
this.
lobster in that one.
No
The
lobster.
way is dirty.
We might go hungry today. Where's the closest
You're going up in the air,
KFC?
straight up in the air.
Yeah.
Up in
Huh?
the air, see
Where's the
where?
closest KFC?
Yeah.
It's about an hour away.
Oh, we're gonna go hungry today.
Yeah, we are go hungry today.
Step this way now.
Lobster day night.
One in there. So
Yes.
So probably one or two.
One.
So we
Yeah,
have two.
man.
That can share for all of us.
shit.
Who for that something?
And we have 3 turbot. I feel me.
We each get one
We have 3
tentacle,
turbot. Give me.
one toe.
Yeah. And we have.
One toe each.
Yeah. And we have 3 turbot. Baby
Right, so
turbot.
Tristan, you're gonna hold
Yeah.
the trap like this and go up. All the way up in the air.
All the way up?
Yeah, all the way up.
Up.
Slowly. Yeah? And you're gonna hold it steady now because you're gonna shake it like this.
Yeah, Tristan the fisherman.
Yeah, and tilt it. so that they run out.
Okay,
Stand up with your feet apart. Stand up.
No. Yeah.
Is that big enough?
Hold the lobster like this. I show it to the camera.
Yeah.
Don't let go.
Yeah.
hold it
Everyone's gonna be
Hold it
mad
tight.
at you.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Hold
the
it
first
tight.
Like this.
lobster.
Show his belly.
Come closer.
Yeah,
I want
man.
to see.
Look at that.
Lobster. Yes, guys, and look.
Don't throw away now. Don't throw away.
Don't hold him over the water.
Yeah, don't. And a grung. You just throw him a grung. Grung.
On the ground. You don't want to lose him now.
If you drop him out, then we are throw you off.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
No, that's shit. Don't lick it. Lick your lip. Lick your lip. Let me see. Now he's shit right on your face. He got shit on. Don't make a mess. Come on.
Alright, so yeah, man, you're gonna remove the rod.
The rod, yeah, right.
Alright, Tristan, you're gonna put this end of the chop around that side. All the way around.
All the way around.
Don't throw it. Just turn it. You're spinning it.
Going away next.
You're spinning it. Yeah.
Yeah,
You're gonna stay up here.
just like that. Half in the boat and half outside.
Yeah, try it up now. Yeah,
You're
man.
gonna put
Oh, so you know when lobster then when the wire clean.
Yeah, we're going to bring down. We're going to reduce the 10 now. To about 8 based on the color of the wire.
up in the air.
8 lobsters.
Oh, 8. Me I say 7. 7 is a lucky
8
number.
lobsters. Now we're not going to cheat now, it's 4 lobsters. Yeah, because I saw them.
Over that.
I'll go with 5 altogether. I think we'll get 5.
Yeah. So,
Bad lobster season.
yeah.
I told you KFC. We're on our way. Don't let go.
I'm not gonna let go.
Yeah, lobster
See, they don't
bar.
have claws.
Here,
In
get it.
Canada, you got the claws.
No, that's the main lobster.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Spiky.
Yeah.
Spiky lobster.
You wanna hold it?
Nah, man, my good man.
Five.
We're a step back and chop them here now. We're gonna catch 5 lobster feet.
See, I don't know.
Five
I have
stuff.
my covered
Five.
all over me. He's spotless.
Yeah, he does this.
I'm covered.
Yeah, man, that's how when the apprentice them jump on, man.
Tristan,
Yeah, first you do it.
You're gonna go over that by that one and go like just like.
You're gonna hold the middle of this one.
Yeah.
I do this one?
No, that one first.
Okay.
So then I chew it off.
2, 3, all the way over.
Yeah? Come right up here now, come up here.
Hold on,
Come right in the middle.
hold on.
Come on, step back.
You gotta move it towards you a bit.
Yes, try it down a little there. Yeah?
Yeah. And you're gonna hold the bottom part now.
Hold the
middle.
lower part.
Yeah.
I just flip it over?
All the way over. Wait.
Got excited.
Yeah, exactly.
So Tristan, how does it feel to be a fisherman in Jamaica?
Muddy.
Muddy. So we see you catch a couple lobster. How was it? It was hard to pull those strap out?
Yes. You
Alright.
already know. We catching lobsters out here. Look, we got a bunch. Look at them.
Sorry, I have 3 pen.
But see, Nigel doesn't need lobster. So. More problems.
Tristan I catch lobster and he not eat lobster in a peeps. You ever see this before? But watch the process. We are go over the army base here now. But one snapper there night too, man.
Yeah.
Nice snapper that, man. Wow, oh, you want flip, sir?
This one I want baby one.
One baby lobster. We are like a baby one, peeps.
Yeah. Before we catch the
Where you say you catch?
barracuda.
Where you say you hunt for a barracuda? Alright.
Cameron's gonna go try and catch
We can
One.
catch a barracuda.
Once he catch a barracuda, peeps. So we there out here, look one. So, no crocodile not there close to the swamp there, so.
Yeah.
Crocodile over there.
Alright.
You catch one? You catch one?
Hold him, Tristan, that's the first fish. Bring him in. Bring him in, Tristan.
Hold him, Tristan.
Hold this spot. Hold this spot.
Yeah.
And rest this right here.
Put in the first fish. Yeah.
Don't make him pull you, you know.
Don't make him pull you in and Tris.
Don't let him go in that.
Yeah.
Don't let
The
him
first
go.
one.
Take your time.
Take time now. Slowly now,
Yeah.
slowly.
It's a nice barracuda.
That is
The
food.
barracuda. Yeah.
Yes, Tris. Look run. Hold him.
Just hold it a little lower so if he bounces off, he's not gonna bounce
Yeah.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Secure your meal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pull it down. Hold it up.
I got it, man.
Yeah.
Chris
real
the fisherman.
Yeah, to kiss it.
That more I see right here now. You ready, Tristan?
I'm ready. I'll go hop in right now. Oh, okay. Never mind.
So we can't send Tristan, so we are gonna send Chris. Alright. Hold on, see one there? I want that?
That's what I'm looking at.
No.
Oh, come go for say yours. $200 one yeah.
Yes, guys.
I thought it was one. So I'm big stingray there. Yeah.
That's a
I'm big stingray.
Oh, that's a baby.
That's a baby one. So
Yeah, this boat is at its final resting place after many years at sea. Deep sea. See there? That is it. We are approaching it now. See there, guys?
Coming up to a shipwreck.
And guys, look at that boat, guys. That's one of the reasons why fishermen must pay their themselves properly. So it's all the boat, and this is metal, this is steel. So just imagine what it do to the human body.
So it's been here a long time.
Here.
This is a fishing boat?
Yes. What's a fishing boat?
Deep sea fishing.
Yes.
Oh.
Watch your finger.
Yeah, man. That become derelict now.
This is how you drive.
Yeah.
As a boat driver.
God, that was a crazy parking job.
Yeah.
What want to go in there? You can go in there.
You can go and look, you know.
Yeah,
If,
I'll go take a
if
look.
me did ever.
Say if any bees in there. You can go in the house and look if you see any bees.
What one shipwreck. We are explore.
They actually poured in the vessel.
Checking for any last treasure
Yes, no man.
from them times, guys. You can see what's inside here.
You have Nigel, the captain.
Water.
I'll me a look for enough people. All more see now a crocodile. Tell you the truth. I saw a spool of small bait fish around here. So could bait fish? Bombat!
Oh,
It's a whole heap of them.
clear fish.
Yes, them all right there, so.
You call them bait,
Yeah, bait fish.
or you catch them for bait.
Yeah, use them for catch the big fish them.
Guys, look at this boat. Literally. Titanic has sunk.
Yeah. The Titanic.
We bring it ashore, you know? Yes. Titanic.
What? Look like one all us. So we are got crocodile zone here now?
Yeah.
Yes, no man.
Crocodile home.
Crocodile home.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna get the ice.
So Chris ready? You ready, Chris?
Ready.
Yeah man, ready yourself, Chris.
Ready?
Yeah man. Yes, no man.
Alright, you can
Chris
see
ready
all
I
up
know. Alright.
You can see.
We're going there, man.
Yeah, come here right now.
Get to the head low.
Come around now. Yeah. Alright. You shall up now in that. Why the tide high today?
We're here in the mangrove
Tide is very high
section
today.
to get some oysters.
Yeah. Yeah, look for reverse
You
now.
know, can't come on this trip and we
Aye.
don't have any oysters to eat.
I in here say ice them there.
So that is the dessert, aka desert. You know.
What we do?
Yeah. Baby in a back.
We pick them right here. Fresh.
Have any gloves?
And then we just open them. And we have the sauce. Where's my bag?
Oyster.
What color
Yes,
bag?
guys.
Real fisherman.
You alright, you alright.
Yeah, I'm alright.
Chris.
I'm alright.
You
I
alright.
went down the wrong edge. So
She's just eat some pepper a while ago.
Yeah.
Some pepper sauce. Shaggy T is choking.
y'all don't say it like that. Don't say it like that.
Oops, sorry.
What's fun about it?
You alright, Shaggy T?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Alright, believe no man. So which way we are going now, Cameron?
We're gonna go by Army Base, but we want to get some blue crab.
Alright, we are look some blue. So that bucket that we are sealing in the water, what that? A year one?
When I mark them.
Alright. So don't go and stay tuned, we are go somewhere else. As a fisherman. Yes, as a net man. Yeah, it's a record. Back at it like a fish addict. We catch fish. But today we gonna get some crab with it. What you say? First, me I draw one net in a... One foot over yourself. Alright, first me I draw one net in a people. As a fishman. As a fisherman. No, not as a fishman.
As a fishman.
Cut out that part. Why? Why for that part? As a fisherman. Oh. So them when we draw. Where we have to right there, sir?
No, man, put it over here, sir.
Oh, put it over here.
Yeah, here one, here one.
When I bring fish.
Alright.
Bring there and another fish coming in the water there. You don't know.
Take it
Yeah,
out.
man, you have to take him out. Draw back the rope. Draw back on the rope. Yeah, man. Draw in the rope. Pull him overboard. Pull him. So that it snap up.
Oh.
And here's the first crab now, guys.
As a crab, man.
Wait, my bite there.
Oh, you can't buy 3 gloves.
What? That's in one.
The whole of salt.
You will me salt in idea.
Full pan.
Full pan. See you next one, yeah.
Pull up some arm again.
Wow, what that fish are coming?
Yeah, man.
Oh, I told you. Chris,
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
what you are?
Yeah. We should get full credit.
Yeah.
We should get full credit for all these fish. Those
Those
skin on
guys
that.
do. Those not good.
They're not good.
No, they jack good. Wait.
Ah, what a save! What a save!
What a save!
Man,
See
they
what
try
jump
the
off,
jack
right?
right.
I just see
Yeah.
one will jump off, right?
That is it.
Yeah. You see Chris?
Yeah, we put them right back.
That
Hey,
one.
that's like an half a leg on one fish.
That one there. Pull him out now, yeah, man. Pull him out.
There was something bigger come up, you know.
Yeah, and that's him up, yeah, man. Take him back. Over, you have to control the net.
Listen, there's something big on the net as well. Big fish on the net. See there? I can see.
Good.
Bend it up. Yeah, man, bend it up.
Yeah.
Eh?
But all us
Yeah,
one
man,
big one there.
yeah.
One big fish
Yeah.
come up. See there?
Hold on. Take a time. Take a time.
Pompano.
Oh, that's a big
Pompano.
one.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
We're eating today!
No KFC. No Burger King. No Pizza.
Nice one.
No
nice.
McDonald's.
Yeah.
Got fresh
We
from
told
the
you,
sea.
we need to Fresh. food come back.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
chew
yeah.
up the fish and get a bigger one right now.
Yeah.
Right, Chris, we did it.
Why are we gambling with fish?
We did it,
Live,
man.
Yeah, man, live, yeah, man.
Live, Pampano.
Nice,
Good.
Pampano.
Nice.
Look at that.
Yeah, hold it real good.
Yeah, eat up.
You see, if you chew off him, you
With a
catch
kiss.
a shark.
No, I'm not giant that joke the kilo. The kilo want like a whole life fish there. See that?
Look at that.
See there, guys. Guys, you want 2 more crab now.
Yeah, man.
We have more than enough now.
Ready to draw the net. So right now we are heading back to land to cook up the fish them when we catch. So now just stay tuned and watch what go on. So what go on and we have some the rest of them here. So when we reach a land we show you what we catch, alright? Where's the shaggy tea? No. Bang it. One camera.
Yeah, man, that's it, man.
Don't get without fear. Yeah. Oh, the dog in the water. Reverse of engine. Look, see what we catch up peeps. Get some lobster. Get some fish. So, we're gonna cook them up right here, so. Our Cameron HQ. And so this is our bad season sauce. So I'm gonna test that make one see. So I'm gonna go and lock in. And over here, say alright. Yeah, alright.
I'm good. I'm just enjoying life right now.
Yes, no man.
Sometimes you kick back and just relax. Stop talking. I'm always talking. Now I can relax.
Yeah, you look like a ninja though.
Yeah, that's the look I'm looking for today. Ninja.
Ninja
Black
Chris.
belt. Ninja.
Yeah man.
Yes.
Believe.
Enjoying life.
Alright people, so food I go cook ya now. Because you are going in there.
Trying to get behind the scenes too. No,
Shaggy
get out of
tea
here.
there. Shaggy tea there in the kitchen. Because you are going.
Yeah, man. So we're just gonna use some chicken Maggi season.
Chicken Maggi season.
Yeah. A lot of persons use fish because it's seafood. They use the fish season. We have the chicken one.
But
the
this
fish
is the
one.
secret.
Yeah,
This is the secret. This is the
right here.
secret.
The chicken one is the best one.
Okay.
Yeah, you have the
okay.
all-purpose and you have the fish. But the chicken one is really nice.
They put a generous amount on there.
Lobster.
You know we're gonna rub it
Gosh,
in.
man.
Alright,
So we are changing from fry.
Alright, so like we change from fry. What we're gonna do? We're
So we are
gonna
curry the
fry
lobster.
fish.
Let's say I fry
And the
fish
oil-
then.
Yeah, the oil hot.
Alright.
So we're gonna cut this.
Okay.
Pause. So
Only
this
reason I brought that up is because they kept talking about curry lobster, curry lobster, curry lobster.
yeah.
They said it's so
Come in there, fat.
Ralph Fighter.
Yeah. Last night he made me cook. The night before that
Yeah,
I
you should have
cooked.
seen what he cooked last night.
I'm a chef.
You can smell that through the phone.
I like you guys.
Smell that?
Through the phone. See there? There's so much people there, people. What you are going?
Wagwan.
All of we are fight over one fish, you know, people. See there? All the chef there, you know. Watch it. Watch you are going. See, I have a next cameraman around here, so you know, people. Yes, no man. A whole heap of camera there, you know, people. Go on.
We actually season these for escovitch. So we're gonna switch to curry.
Okay.
So we're gonna prep them a little different. Yeah, look at it. We're gonna get off this part of the meat. So we're gonna throw away that. So we're only gonna curry that. We're only gonna curry the tail.
Okay.
So
Curry
hold
lobster
it and
tail.
break it this way.
So your lobsters, they don't, they only have the meat and the tails?
Yeah, we don't
Okay.
have claws like the nail lobster.
Okay.
Yeah, so we just do like this. So we're just gonna curry the tail.
Tails still look good though. Your tails are still chunky.
Yeah, a lot of meat.
Yeah. Where's the sauce there for fish you now?
Yeah. Can go ahead.
We can go ahead.
Yeah, everybody.
Man, taste the sauce in my hand there before.
No, you're
It's hot.
Yes, sir. Look what I go on.
Go on, Chris. That's too hot.
Here.
We break up your pieces.
You have honey in it.
Yeah, man.
Here's a fork here.
Everybody can.
Peace, guys.
It look like Keenan now want give me the knife fork, so.
No. He's waiting
How
until you get some
way
good
you go on with Keenan?
So soft.
sauce. Looks like we haven't eaten in a while, because we
So
haven't
soft.
eaten
Cool
in a
it
while.
first. Cool it.
Yeah, chop the sauce on this in the right of this. Get the sauce.
Oh, it's sauce. Yeah.
Spoonful for the right on it.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, trying this sauce, guys.
yes.
That's right.
Yeah?
Yes.
Doing the sauce.
With that fried fish, guys. Remember that big fish that you caught on the net?
Honey day night.
Look at that, guys.
Just a double,
Ja.
double dipping.
Yeah.
Eat
Yeah, that,
one
guys.
quick so we can get another one.
It's worth it.
Looks like we haven't fed you.
Dance lambada.
Yeah.
Good.
Yo, this bad man.
Yeah, that's a good part.
You don't need that piece.
Yeah, that's a good
Back
part.
up. You're going to get a
That's a
fourth
good
of them.
part.
You don't need that piece. You don't need that piece.
Kind of
Lucky.
experience again.
Fight, jailhouse fight.
Fresh from the sea,
Don't eat
guys.
another man's
Ja,
food.
Fresh from the sea, guys. See there?
Wait, Chris. Let's get him
Shit, you
over.
see how fast we devoured that?
Yeah.
A bunch of
That
piranhas.
side now,
Right
guys.
here, Chris.
First
This
side.
is the-
That's
this
a
is the
nice
part.
verse,
Come
man.
on now.
That is it right there.
Look at that.
That is it right there, Chris.
Somebody else
That is
got
it,
piece of
Shit.
this one.
Get out of here, Tristan.
Somebody else.
Get
We
out.
still some.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I'm gonna run. I'm gonna hit and run.
Yeah. that
Like
is-
Shensia, hit and run.
Yeah,
Oh,
sense,
shit.
yeah.
Cool it.
It can run. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
Yo.
What about Kurt Thursday? We out.
That is it, man.
Yo, the fish are bad man.
Yeah.
The sauce bad.
This is what happens when you come to the kitchen.
Watch the bone. Let me
That's side part, yeah.
So much man
You know how much
have to
fish we eat
survive.
in the Philippines?
Eat and feed it.
I'm
Yeah.
very familiar with the bones. We swallow
yeah,
bones.
Yeah, chicken, you see.
Gone. You know, like when the dog get the bone and gone to the corner.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
Innocent guy.
Yeah,
That
right.
is so
When
good.
that finish, come back.
Come back.
So I go on.
Yeah, man. As a fisherman, Nigel, man. Guys. Check him out.
As a fisherman, believe.
That is it, guys.
I ate the eyes
And the
already.
brain.
I ate the eyes already.
The brain inside
You
here.
eat off the
Yeah,
eye
I'm eating
already?
everything. I'm
Brain,
eating
brain.
everything.
Eating everything.
Watch it. Look at that.
What are you eating? A fish?
Yeah, he's eating a fish.
Sorry, no worries, no worries. I'm too busy eating.
Fish head.
He's
Too
eating
busy
a
eating.
fish for sure.
Where you eat? Where you eat? Where you eat? Where you eat?
Fish.
Fish what?
Fish brain.
Fish brain. You eat the
eye.
fish head. Look at the man. Don't
man.
eat.
It's done. It's done. I did everything. Oh wait, no. I see meat. I see meat. You put some of that hot sauce on there. It's all bone now. All done. Devoured. Devoured. Done. Done. Eat's gone.
That's how we do it. Food I go share now, people. Lobster them done.
Kino has his own plate.
Lobster. Cameron and share. Tristan tea. Christmas list. You not eat lobster, you know.
Love lobster.
How this again? Sauce.
You got more sauce.
Yeah, man.
More
Escobish
sauce,
sauce.
But this sauce right here. This
is the
sauce
number one
is
sauce.
the number one.
Alright, so we're gonna unveil. Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah, man, mind the scent. Yeah, man.
No,
Yes.
people want to smell it, you know, man.
Mind the scent, lick yo.
Look at that.
Oh gosh, man. So I go and watch it, man. Cause food I got in my belly, you know, man.
These are the crackers?
Yeah.
Hungry.
So we cook them to get them soft.
Those are the water crackers.
These were tough.
Yeah.
Now we cook them and they get soft.
Oh, it looks good. Soaks up all the flavor.
Yeah.
Live.
All the coconut juice and all of
I
that.
understand.
Woo. Here's Kino plates. But Kino didn't say I'm allergic to lobster. Oh, Kino.
Yeah, that's
No,
Kino's
I'll get
plate.
one of these.
That's
I'll
Kino's
get one of
plate.
these, yeah. Just 4 plates.
Allergic to who?
Lobster.
Watch us.
Thank you.
Believe.
Yeah, we there. Yeah, one G man.
Look at it. Yes.
Let's get this way. Kino, we're not gonna put it over that thing.
That's Kirky outdoor living.
Yeah, respect. Where part them there? Let me see where you going with Kino. Look no man. Yeah. Tristan.
My best friend is from Canada.
Yo, you can't wait for the parking up people.
Christmas list. Yeah,
Look
real
then,
chill.
man.
He's a traveler. He's a man without no fear. Yeah, we love you, brother. Anywhere you go, you do it, brother.
I'm on it. Yeah, man.
And you done a good job. You make everybody look up
Thinking
to
of
you,
this.
brother. Like me look up to you, my brother.
Perfect timing. Good to meet.
Me, I tell him, man, for real.
Honored. Thank you.
Beg you one part there. Kirky.
Yeah, man.
All these pips. Big up yourself, now, man.
Kirky outdoor living at the place. Cameron Family TV. Yeah, so we there on the spot. You
Yeah.
don't know Kirky, you know? Yeah, man.
Big up yourself. Big up yourself.
Normal, hey, this is a brother, family, love, Mr. People. Normal. It's with us, so Cameron, family. No, it's Kirky.
Yeah, man. Kirky, family.
Yeah, done here.
Tonight when I'm in bed, I'm
Friday day here, Friday birthday.
Yo, it's bad, this bad.
Bad.
This shot.
Wicked.
Yo, big up yourself. People, if you don't want some of this, make sure you link up Cameron. Cause yo, this nice. Him catch it and him cook it. Believe it.
Big up yourself every time.
Yes,
yeah,
no man.
Yeah, man, Nigel, Yahman TV, you know?
Art of love.
Big up my brother.
Yeah.
Every time.
Look what I'm just don't eat that mine. Quite nice, but I have to take my time and eat it. Yo, this is nice. Big up Cameron. And everybody over there, you see me? I'm gonna look some juice and some water for drink right now, cause it's spicy. Where's the finish already, Tristan?
I finished a while ago. I was just licking the seasoning.
Yeah? Where's the done already, Chris? How was it?
2 stars. 5, not 2 stars. 2 thumbs. 2 thumbs.
2 thumbs, alright.
5 stars.
Believe. May I look some water, you know. Where's the key now? I go on right, that's
Is the result. I never thought the truth. Hurricane barrel passed through. I never thought the truth.
That is it.
This is time, yeah? And this is the rain.
So that is it. So right now, peeps, we just done shell down food and things. So right now, we're gonna check out Cameron Airbnb and we're gonna head out. So today was a great day today. Everything turned out wonderful. We catch some fish, lobster, crab. I don't know, see how we have it. Some curry lobster with some shrimp and some crab. It was great. So people, just go and stay tuned. I'll link for everybody I got down in the description, so I'm gonna check them out, show them some love. You get me? We're out here without fear. Alright? All the time. So now make sure watch up the video, people, and share it out. Alright? Big up on yourself. Cameron Paradise. Oh, nice Airbnb. Woo. Where we can find it?
Yeah, man. So you can contact me at 876-479-4001. Yeah, man. And then we can send you the link, guys, and you just go to the website and book your stay at the Airbnb. Yeah, man.
Yes, no, man.
And if you want to go on the Airbnb website, search for Cameron's Paradise. That's where you will find it as well. But it's already on the website.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
So it got dog in the description, so check them out and give them some love. Cameron Cove.
Another one, which is this one is.
So how them can find the Airbnb here?
Alright, it depends on Airbnb as Cameron's Cove.
Yeah.
But you can contact me as well at 556-8554. You know, I put the 876 in front of that.
Yeah.
Or 593-8389. Alright, and it's Cameron's Cove.
Alright.
Airbnb.
That is it. So now link them up and check them.
Call anything.
Yeah. So we're gonna check out inside of the one here now. Different. Oh. Believe.
Congratulations.
You get a whole heap of candy right here.
Right here, Chris himself, you know, this is my next brother. Cameron, you know, so the Cameron for him. So tell them some information where you can
Gosh.
Alright, sure. So we just want Airbnb, Cameron's Cove, just type in Cameron's Cove on Airbnb. The year is Old Harbor. Alright, and you can WhatsApp me or call directly. 876-556-554.
I like the stove.
593.
I like that type of grill here. Pan the stove. Nice. Yeah, the coffee maker right here, so believe. Yeah, washroom.
Yeah,
Where's the complimentary?
Yeah, man, and juice, everything.
Drinks is here.
That is it.
And you got your Fanta, your Pepsi, everything there, what you like, you know?
So what about Red Stripe beer? That's in the Red Stripe.
Yeah, man, but
Red Stripe, they're close by.
The group that's coming.
Yeah.
Oh, a family, a kids and kids, so I stuck it this man who I
come.
get, you know.
Alright, so now hear that, people? Yes, no man.
So if I want them Red Stripe or something, no problem.
Alright, so now hear that. So if you don't want to book it and want a Red Stripe, I'm going to say Chris We are coming and want a red stripe, you know. So just put 2 red stripes in the fridge and him will get it done. Big up yourself, though, man.
And if you guys wanna come down and you know you don't wanna leave the Airbnb to get food, we can actually prepare food at our headquarters. Bring it here.
Alright.
We deliver the food for you guys. You don't have to leave here to eat.
So this is a bathroom. Oh gosh, man. This is one bedroom. This is a master bedroom. It's a master bedroom, guys. No.
They're brothers. You know, say Cameron Paradise and Cameron Co.
So this is a master bedroom. Through that door you have the bathroom. Love it. So we are going in the next room. So come go check out the next room. I will for YouTuber there here, so I'm gonna hear a lot of people in that video. So we're there to promote the Airbnb them. Believe. Yeah. Promote them, alright? So we're gonna book them as long as they're in a whole of a beer. We're gonna book them out, alright? So we are gonna head out and get back to Kingston. Yes, no man, so we just reached back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And we love you all. Yes, no man, it was a great day. So remember, do the right thing. So I catch you guys in the next video. Banging.